All right, Introduction to Computers and Information Systems. This is the third day. It's Friday. We spent about 20 minutes, maybe a little less, here in the classroom, and then the students spent the rest of the time up in the lab. So this is what we have the board in general. We have a lot of things we need to fill in yet, but we talked briefly about hardware, the actual equipment. We talked about software, programs or instructions. We talked about people. We want people to move from being a user to being more of an expert. And again, software and hardware are developed by people. Is it perfect? No, but a lot of it has gotten very good. Networking, the whole idea of a network allows us to we talked about devices, computers, laptops, and so forth, processors, we have memory, we have storage, and we have electronic processors, information through there. Okay? For example, you have a software program. Here, you would load that. That would get loaded up into RAM, and then the information in RAM is processed, so that's moved up to the processor and back down. Unit 3, we talk more about all the details. Devices have this capability of connecting, so we can connect devices to a switch. A switch is a networking piece of hardware that allows us to have multiple things connected. So for example, up here in this switch, we could have a printer, we could have other PCs. So when you're in the lab, there are lots of items connected to the switch. The switch organizes that, and here in this case, moves it over to, here at the college, a multi-layered switch. We're not going to learn a lot about the details, but this switch can also move stuff down here where we had servers. Could be web servers, Angel, and lots of different things in which we share that information and data through the campus. Talk more specifically about that on Wednesday. This switch is connected in here. There's a firewall, and then it's connected to a router that connects out to our ISP. Our ISP is the Iowa Communications Network. Your ISP might be your phone company if you have DSL, or it might be Mediacom if you have cable. Takes us into the internet. We learn more about the internet later on. That is a huge wide area network. And then coming off the internet, there's an ISP, and then this could be connected to any location. For example, maybe Dell. Another connection here, Facebook, and so forth. Some connection in that goes to your home, and so forth. So we can connect into the internet, and the internet is our transport means of moving the data through to other locations. Okay? So this is a start, and we're going to use this diagram and add to it and talk about it in terms of learning a little bit more about software, hardware, and the items in terms of the entire course. And that's it for today.